Hi, grade 4. Today you're going to be learning about what zeros are in the quotient. So why are zeros important? What do zeros equal? So a zero is equal to nothing, right? We know that doesn't have a number that goes with it. It equals 0. It equals nothing. So then 704 and 74 should equal the same thing, shouldn't they? If a 0 means nothing, then it's just there. It's not useful. So we can just take it out and it becomes 74. No, we know that's not right. So what about this number? We have 7 trillion, 4 billion, 30 million, 200,000, 1. Wouldn't that just be 74,321? You said the zeros equal nothing, so that means we can take them out, can't we? They don't mean anything, we can just get rid of them. So we're saying that these numbers are equal. No, we know that's wrong as well. So what does zeros equal? Why are zeros important? So if zeros are equal to nothing, then why are they so important? We know that they hold a place value, because without the zeros, the numbers would be so much smaller and they wouldn't mean the same thing. So let's see how they go into the division problems. So we have 932 divided by 3. So first we have to look at how many 3's are in 9. We know there's 3 of them, so we put a 3 above the 9. Then 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So we have to subtract the 2. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Then we have to bring down our 3. Then how many 3's go into 3? 1, so we have to put a 1 above the 3. And 3 times 1 is equal to 3. So we have to subtract the two 3's. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. And we have to bring down our 2. So then how many 3's go into 2? 0. So if 0 meant nothing and it didn't have any importance, we could just leave that out and our answer would be 31. But instead, we have to make sure we add that above the 2, so it becomes 310, and then 2 would become our remainder. So that means 932 divided by 3 would be equal to 310, remainder 2. So our 0 is important. So what about this one? So we have 832 divided by 4. So how many 4's in 8? 2. So we put a 2 above the 8. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So we subtract the 2. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. We have to bring down our 3. So then how many 4's in 3? 0. So we put a 0 above the 3. And if our zeros weren't important, we could just leave that out and it would not have the same answer. So we have to make sure we include our zeros. So we have to bring down our 2. So how many 4's in 32? 8. So we put an 8 above the 2. 4 times 8 is equal to 32. We have to subtract 32 minus 32, which is equal to 0. So that means our answer is 208. So remember, our zeros are super important. Even if they don't seem like they have any place value or any importance, they mean nothing. They hold a place value. So we have to make sure that we are including our zeros. All right, goodbye, grade 4.